board, gates opened, yeah? You just go? Yeah, here we go. Gate 55.
Trying to get paid, take money, cash checks. You see the set, that's Lash, that's Dex. Young C, Young Shorty, Milcavelli. White bricks, True Religion, on the telly, it's me. Wiz got the house full of freaks. That's why I haven't been around for a week. I'm getting pounds in my sleep. I'm at the top of the mountain, it's peak. Bring it back before the villain. I had a life, real talk, true religion. It's in the blood, in the jeans, in the stitching. Walked in, no weapon, made a killing. Tongue kissing, pretty women. New iPhone cause I'm done with all the bitching. Tryna be in my position. Keep my shades on cause they're trying to see the vision.
She tell me, bad man, see I need your love. See I need your love. Me need you close to me. Me tell her say me, oh stay on the road. Bad energy, stay far away. Make you stay far away. Just give me love for the night. Give me love for the night. Girl, waste no time.
Breakfast in bed on a plane. I could never complain. I was walking with the limp, had the cane. Deck said greatness and nothing was the same. Now we're set for life. I saw the turn up button and I pressed it twice. You heard I'm in the club, then my best advice is put your shoes on and come and get your wife. Cause we've been having sex just for exercise. Every night man are doing sexercise. She look into my eyes, now she's mesmerized.
She tell me, bad man, see I need your love. See I need your love. Me need you close to me. Me tell her say me, oh stay on the road. Bad energy, stay far away. Make you stay far away. Just give me love for the night. Give me love for the night. Girl, waste no time.
Hey.
Yes guys, thank you for watching my short travel film on Sahara Desert. If you like what you see, make sure you smash that like button, show some love in the comments, and make sure you subscribe because that's really important to me. Really important to me. A lot of people have been asking me questions about my trips and where I go, what gear I use and how I edit it, so I thought I'd do a quick segment just breaking that all down. So I actually went on this trip to Morocco a couple years back with the boys. So it was Youhan, Vass and Alan, shout out to them. So this is the second time I've been to Marrakech, Morocco. This time I wanted to do something different obviously, and I booked this Sahara Desert tour in Marrakech for like 3 nights, 2 days, and trust me when I say it was insane. Like, it was the craziest experience I've ever done. Like, the video doesn't do justice to how vast and scenic the Sahara Desert looks. Like, in school you always hear about this beautiful Sahara Desert, but when you're actually there, like, it's something else, trust me. Let me get a second opinion on this. You're on YouTube. Yo, I'm on YouTube, innit? I'm live. No, I'm saying how sick the Sahara Desert was. What do you think?
Yeah, it was whack.
Yo.
Alright, man, don't tell me this is on video because I'm eating broccoli with my hands. Where am I looking into?
Just look forward and say it's epic.
Yo, that shit was epic, man.
Yeah, that's what I thought, yeah. It was mad, innit? Alright, cool, that's enough of me.
You can edit it.
Yeah, as he says, it was epic. So the trip basically entailed a day of getting to the Sahara Desert, and then for sunset we got on the camels and rode to the Sahara Desert. We stayed there for a night in some 5-man brock up tent, which was pretty mad, and then they hosted like live music events, just playing the drums by the fire and drinks, which was pretty like authentic and sick. And the maddest bit was the night sky. Like, we were just literally lying in the sand, just looking up, and there was no air pollution, no light pollution, so the stars were just amazing. Like I at least saw 5-6 shooting stars, which I've never seen in my life before. Yeah, and it just makes you feel really small just looking at the world from that, and just puts things into perspective how little you are on this earth. And yeah, we just ended up having some deep chats about meaning of life and how we fit in this big world. But yeah, pretty sweet. So the gear that I actually used to make this film, I used just my GoPro Hero 7, which was new at the time. I used a cheap selfie stick off Amazon, and I actually used Alan's phone, which is the Huawei P20 Pro, to make that kind of vintage shot. So I actually told him before, like, I want you to like take landscape videos with a phone and like keep zooming in and zooming out, and it kind of gives you that retro video cam looking feel, which I wanted for some of the shots. After I got those phone shots, I took it to Final Cut Pro and I just put on the noise effect, the prism effect, and I just put on a quick overlay that you could get on YouTube. Like, it's called a vintage overlay, and you add that on and it pretty much does the job for you. So just download that using a YouTube to MP4 website, and yeah, just shove that on. Shout out to Alan, my apprentice. He was a bit what's the word, bitter, because he's not me, but shout out anyway. But yeah, any questions you have, make sure you drop it in the comments below. I'm always happy to answer any questions, or DM me on Instagram. I'm live on Instagram. Follow me if you want to see what I do day to day, and always just ask me any questions, man. Always happy to help. But yeah, I got more content coming soon. I got a couple of exciting projects coming. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Peace.